Okay, so here's the first unit. The first unit is going to go over polynomials, adding, subtracting, multiplying. A lot of this is pretty much review from Algebra 1, but it wants you to know, first, review and doing all of these things because you're going to be doing a lot of this with a lot of the more advanced topics that we will be working on, such as complex numbers and factoring and other things. So you can take a look at the videos and quizzes if you want. It even goes over adding and subtracting, combining like terms. So remember, when you are combining like terms, they have to have the same variable, the same exponent. So here we have, it says rewrite without parentheses, which it did. You have 5h minus 8h minus 2h to the third power minus h squared minus 2h, which is here. It says group like terms. So remember, like terms must have the same variable, same exponent, which is why they wrote 5h to the third minus 2h to the third. They will put the h squared all by itself because that can't go with anything. And then we have the negative 8h minus 2h. So once you combine the like terms, you get 3h to the third minus h squared minus 10h. You would do the same thing with adding. You just combine the like terms. Combine the like terms. You can take a look at this. It'll show you how to do it. But like I said, a lot of this should just be review from Algebra 1. Let's go down to multiplying. So when it comes to multiplying terms, when you see something like this, you're going to do the distributive property. Remember, when you are multiplying exponents, you're adding them. So this 6z to the second power times z squared is going to get you z to the fourth, which it does here. And then 6 times 7 is 42. Whenever you see a variable by itself, there's a 1 here. You just don't see it. So this 6z to the second times 3z gets you 18z to the third, 2 plus 1. And then so on. So that's when you're multiplying with trinomials. Where are the binomials? Let's see. Okay, when you're multiplying binomials, or a binomial with a trinomial, you're multiplying all of the possible outcomes. So this 1, you're going to multiply it to the x squared, to the negative 5x, and to the negative 6. For this x, you're going to multiply it to the x squared, the negative 5x, and the negative 6. So you're multiplying all the possibilities, which is what they do here. And then you want to combine the like terms, which is what simplifying is. There should be sets. Let's see. There should be sets of binomials. Let's kind of skip through. If you're ever going through the quizzes, you don't know how to do something, get help. It'll show you what videos to watch. It'll walk you through how to do it. So that's a good thing with Khan Academy. Okay, here's a binomial here. 2 binomials. And so binomial, by the way, is 2 terms. You have monomials, which are 1 term. Binomials are 2 terms. Trinomials are 3 terms. And polynomials are usually 3 or more terms, usually 4 or so. Okay, so when you are multiplying binomials, you want to FOIL, it's called. And FOIL means to multiply the first 2 terms of each set of parentheses, the outside terms, the inside, and the last. So let's multiply the first 2 terms, which is b squared times negative b squared. This is going to get you a negative b to the fourth. Maybe I should write it because I can't type the exponent. Negative b to the fourth, because 2 and 2 gets you 4. So this is basically a 1 and a negative 1. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. But we don't write 1s in algebra. It's invisible. So negative b, and like I said, you add the exponents. So those are the first 2 terms of each set of parentheses. Now we're going to multiply the outside terms, b squared times 7, which is going to get you a positive 7b squared. And then you're going to multiply the 5 times the negative b squared, which gets you a negative 5b squared. So those are the inside terms. And then the outside terms is the positive 5 and the 7, which gets you a positive 35. So now, this is when adding and subtracting comes in handy. You just want to combine like terms. So the only thing that can be combined is the positive 7b squared and the negative 5b, which gets you a positive 2b squared. That's your answer. So just practice adding, subtracting, multiplying, and whatnot. Practice the first unit. If you need additional videos on something specific, please let me know. Let me know. I'll be glad to make more videos. I don't want to make these videos too long because I know students don't like watching, hour-long videos. But if you need something more specific or if you're confused on something, please let me know. I will quickly make a quick little video for you. Super easy. Just let me know. So practice the unit and let me know how you do.